So when I was growing up, me and my sister had two little pigs. Our pig's name was Sausage and Bacon. Those two little pigs grew up. My parents loaded them up in the car and we headed off to a special place called the butcher shop. Our parents were nervous that we would be upset, but on the way there, me and my sister were singing, "We're gonna turn sausage and bacon into sausage and bacon." And that's the story of the two little pigs. Hey everybody, I'm Chef Dad, and this is my spring pig head. So why do a pig head? This is the best meat on a pig. There is great sinew. You take this to 195, 200 degrees. It is so succulent, and the gelatin that's inside the muscles doesn't just completely fall apart. So it's like this sweet, fatty, beautiful meat. Okay, here's our pig head. We're gonna keep this nice and simple. First, let's take a look at it. Looky here. They did a pretty good job of getting rid of all the hair, but they definitely have not got rid of all the hair. Gotta burn the hair. Get that scraped out. You want all that hair out. It doesn't need to be on here because you're not going to want to eat it. You get a little bit left right here on the lip and right here by the eyeball. So we got to finish that up. Don't get too much. Don't get too carried. So on this back side here, we're going to do a super simple rub. It's going to be Chef Dad smoked salt. That's all we need. Just get a good coating all over. So we're just gonna put a little bit of salt on here. Most of it's gonna just fall off, but this will help dry that skin out a little bit more. And you could put a binder on here, but I don't want a binder on here. I just want pork flavor. That's what I want. Okay, this is it. This is gonna be super simple. Now all we're gonna do is let this sit here for a while, and then we'll go get it on the smoker. Okay, now this has had time to sit here and dry out for a little while. We're gonna go get it on the smoker. We're using the Pit Boss Pro Series with competition pellets in it. Don't want those ears to touch. So we're gonna let it sit just like that. We're gonna run it at about 275 for a couple hours. Okay, pig head has been on for 3 hours. Let's go bring it inside. It got to the color that I want. We're gonna wrap portions of it. Oh, look at this ear. Look how it expanded out. It's gonna make a great treat for them dogs. So let's take it inside and get it wrapped up and get it back on the grill. What's gonna happen is these ears are gonna start to burn. So is that snout. So we don't want to do that. I'm also going to be cranking the temperature up to about 325 and letting this go. You can see we've started to render out some of this fat, but not much yet. Take a cup, fold it over, and make sure you get it completely wrapped up. The ear doesn't have any of that fat and juice in it, so it's not going to hold it together. We don't want it to burn. And the snout has a lot of fat in it, but as you can see, it's lost everything behind it. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to wrap this over it because we don't want it to burn. That should be enough insulation on there. Not going to worry anymore about the snout because there is some fat in there that's going to render out. We're going to go get it back on the grill and get it up to 325. Yeah, piggy. Okay, let's get this pig head back on. Okay, let's get it closed up. Get it cranked back up to 325. Then we'll come back out periodically just to make sure that it's not getting too dark. You may be asking,
Why are you cooking a pig head? Walmart had them for super cheap. And some of the best meat on a pig is the jowls. You're gonna love it. Try this. If you've had guanciale or anything like that, you're eating the pig jowls. This is just gonna be pulled pig jowls.
All right, pig hit. So tender. It looks beautiful. Let's go take a look. Look at that. Let's reveal the snout. Oh yeah, it got left perfect. Look at that. Gorgeousness. Look at that. That turned out perfect. No burnt ears. No burnt nose. Dogs are gonna like those. Right here, that skin is super chicharron. This is an offcut. This is some of the best meat you can get on a pig. Believe me, try it. This was from Walmart. They probably accidentally got on a boat and got shipped here. Look at it. If you watch the other videos online of people doing their pig heads, they get burnt. Stop burning your pig heads. Look. Those ears are not burnt. They're perfect. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this, a little bit of my carrot, pickled carrot coleslaw. I'm just gonna grab a piece of that beautiful pork. See how it peeled out of there? And that's gonna be a perfect bite. Oh, the only thing we put on there was salt.
Not just any salt.
Oh, that's right. That's Chef Dad's smoke salt. Oh. You don't need anything else. That doesn't need a barbecue rub. That needs salt, particularly Chef Dad's smoke salt. But don't ruin it by putting sweet, crazy stuff on your pig. It doesn't need it. Oh. This is so good. Check this out. Let me pull that off. Pull that off. That turned out so good. Pry it? Can we pry it? Oh yeah.
Oh, look.
Oh, yeah. Peel this back. Oh, look at that. Look at this right back here. See? Scoop that little nugget. Look at that chunk of meat. Look at that. All right, well. Everybody can come and eat. Thanks for watching, everybody. YouTube picked this video for you. I picked that video for you. Hit that subscription button right over there. I need every one of you. I appreciate every one of you. Have a good night.